Breathe in, let it out, and just relax. There we go.
Okay.
A little tighter on this side. Just go in. Just relax here. And there you go.
Awesome. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Gould Chiropractic. We hope you have a great visit.
So I'm going to adjust Alexandra, just checking leg lengths here to make sure that they're even. They are. We're going to do palpation. Palpation is the art that a chiropractor does to detect what we call subluxations. So she's a little stuck over here on the right, so we're going to go ahead and do an adjustment on the right side. We'll probably do both sides. And then in through here, yeah, you've got some trigger points up here, huh, Alexandra?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll adjust her upper back because she's got some subluxations where the ribs come into the spine here. So we make adjustments here. It feels really good. And last, we're going to check the neck. Your neck muscles are really tight, Alexandra, especially over here on the left. You're going to love your massage. Okay, so can I have you put this side up, Alexandra? Take a breath in, let it out, and just relax. There we go. Okay, and then you're going to put the other side up. So I'm going to contact the lumbar spine here. There we go. And then on your back, go ahead and sit up. Now we're going to do this area of your back up here, okay? So put your hands behind your neck, Alexandra. Okay, good, like this. Good. Elbows down, below your chin. And then drop back. Okay. And then I want you to lie back, Alexandra. We're going to do your neck adjustment now, okay?
Okay.
So, just relax here, Alexandra. That feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
And just relax here. Let it go. Good. There you go. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay. Thanks for visiting our office today. Now that you've seen my office and you see what I do with my patients, I hope that if you know anybody that could be helped with chiropractic care, you'll send them my way. Thanks.